In this video, we are going to show you how to create shared albums that are shared with sub-account users who can not only access the albums but contribute to them as well. From the home page, we're going to tap on the albums icon at the bottom. Then at the top, we'll go over to the shared albums tab. To create a new shared album, tap new album. We have a couple different options here. We can tap on share of an existing album. That album has no shared users. Or we can edit an existing shared album to add more users. Or we can create a shared album from scratch. We're going to create a shared album from scratch. We're going to name it. All right, and then we're going to tap Create. And as you can see here, we have one member. That is you as the primary account holder for your PhotoSphere. We can tap on that to invite other members. Tap on the Add. And you can see we have two different options. We can select an existing sub-account member and add them. Or we can copy the link. If we copy the link, we can send that link through messaging or email to the user that you want to join your PhotoSphere as a sub-account user and have access to this shared album. You can actually do both, so I'm going to add that, and then I can send that link to anybody that I want. You're going to have to create one link for each person that you want to join this album. All right, now I'm going to go back to add, and I'm going to add some photos because an album is no fun without photos. And that's it. We have a shared album that we created, and we invited other people. We can always come back to this album to tap on the members and then add more members or remove members from that album. We can also come up to the top here and tap on the view to change the view of the album from the big picture to a standard to an efficiency. And then we can also tap on the select to select photos from the album to manage them. When we select them, just like anytime we select files to manage, we can share with a link, we can download, we can add them to another album, we can delete them, or we can do these other options like print and move to encrypted space. And I cancel that. We'll go back to albums here, and I want to show you one more option here. If we go ahead and tap Create Album, we'll go back to the album that is not a shared album that was created, and we'll tap Share. And here we can turn this into a shared album by inviting new members. And that's it. That's how we create shared albums for sub-account users to access and contribute to. Thank you for joining me today.